So I didn't see exercises. Whatever the exercises I have given. Did you guys try it? So you'll get mostly on arrays and strings only. So you have to write lot of programs. If you write programs only, no, then you can survive in the interview. Otherwise, it's very, very difficult. Coding, you have to leave it. So at least every day one program, one string program will improve your logic. Basically, logic will improve if keep on writing. Okay. So write a program to find the largest substring in given string without repeating characters. So you can take str. So public static void longest substring without repeating characters. So here also first step is create the map. So you all know how to create a map. Step one is create a map. Map. So what is that key and value data types? So again, you need a character, right? So character and integer. So the map you want first all characters, then integer, the longest. So HM equal to new link dash map. I'll use a link dash. 1 minute.
Hi, Ramesh. This is Raja here. I just joined from the phone, but I'm not able to join from the laptop.
Sure.
Yes, MacBook.
Okay. Why there is no restriction, right?
Uh, it shows.
Okay.
Mhm. Probably I will try to join again.
String. I'll declare some longest substring. So equal to, you declare that as a one variable, and the same you declare it as a length also, longest substring length, because we are calculating longest substring length also. Next, step 2, convert the string into character array. So character array. So ARR equal to str dot to char array. Then iterate the character array. So so int I equal to 0, I less than array dot length, right? Array dot length and I plus plus. This is the general logic we are. So if you get array, you will iterate that. So now you extract the each character. So I'll store in the character array ch equal to array of I. So you will get the each character. Okay. Then check if map doesn't contain. So the key hm dot contains key of ch. Okay. So then so map dot put. So you can that character and I value, right? Else else. So you can just say I equal to hm dot get off that character. So I'm changing that. So I value to that one. Then I'm clearing that. The map I'm clearing completely. If it is not, if it contains, okay, if it contains, I don't want duplicates, right? So that's why I'm just clearing up that map. Again, I'll rebuild next. So like that it will go. So till, so the loop ends here. So loop ends here. After that, I have to see the size of the map. So if hm dot size is greater than longest substring length, longest substring length. Okay. So then that is going to be assign that longest substring length equal to the size of the map. So equal to hm dot size. So then so longest substring equal to hm dot. So key set. So all the keys you are getting dot toString. You convert that into toString. So basically, we are converting into string format. Once you will get a collection, right? Collection you're converting into so string format. So that's it. This is the code, and so let's print this values. Maybe I'll use system out dot println longest substring. Substring is and the longest substring length is so. Right. So let's call this method and give the string. So I'll just give randomly A, B, C, A, B, C, B. See what you will get. Okay, only B we got. So only one. And the length is one. B is more number of times, right? That's why. Longest substring, that is the one. Yeah. But so if you feel complicated, so don't worry, but I'll just map and loop only. So very simple concept. Sometimes, this kind of questions also they're asking. Otherwise, we are good. Whatever you practice. Uh, the program is, I want to read the properties file. First, you create a properties file. Okay, let's create a properties file. How to create a file? Right click, new file. So test data dot properties. So maybe URL equal to https linkedin.com and browser equal to Chrome. Next, username equal to rameshan@gmail.com. You can give your own mail ID. Password equal to test123. So like this, you can declare all your properties. Okay. So that's how you can declare your properties and you can read them. So how to read them? You need to create a new class and consume these things. Okay. So I'll create read properties from file. I'm creating a Java class. So main method. Basically, I'll write a one simple method. Okay. I want to read data from. I want to read data from properties file. So I'll write a reusable method which returns a string type data. Public static string return type get property value. So string key, you give the key name, it will fetch the value. So, and first step is in this, step one is create object for properties class. Properties equal to new properties. Then step 2 is read the properties file. How can you read the properties file? What are the different ways?
Creating file.
So you have to use it two ways. One is file input stream or file reader. The file object, you have to pass it to that. So I'll just specify file f equal to new file. But my file is here. How can you specify? Okay. So I need to specify this file path. Where is my file? My project below under source, then collection programs package. Below that you have file. So this is the path I need to specify. So to get the current working directory, we have one formula. Okay. I'll just specify string file path equal to system dot. So there is a method system dot get property method. System dot get property. So you just give user dot dir. So this will give you the current working directory path. That means what it will give you? This one. Can you see this? See Spring Boot practice, IntelliJ workspace, Java training, March, right? That is the path you will get by system.get property user.dir if you write. You don't need to hard code. So always remember this kind of logics. If you want to get the current project directory, you need to use system.get property and the parameter you need to give user.dir. Then after that, where it is, you will get only till project, right? Then you have a SRC. So plus, so you need to concatenate, right? Slash SRC slash collection programs. So then you have the file. Test data. Dot properties. This is the complete file path. So this file path you need to give it here, right? So you have to give here for the file class. So that's what all file things will really useful. So if you haven't attended, please watch our videos. So then file input stream FAS equal to new file input stream F. So file object reference I am passing. Now you need to see this. It is going to throw add exception to method signature. So you can add throws declaration file not found exception. So let's see what is this error. Missing a return statement. Okay, I'm going to add a return statement. Okay. So I have read the file. Now load all the properties. So properties dot load method. So FIS object you need to pass. So add exception to the method signature, or you can add a throws declaration also, or try catch blocks you can add. But I added in the method signature IO exception. Now return. Now you can get the value because all the properties are loaded here by properties class. Now properties dot get property of key. You give the key and you will get the value. So that is the total program you need to write. Simple. Now you can call this method n number of times. This returns a string type data. See, I will call. First, I want to get the system dot out dot.
Prop చేసావా Prop చేసావా
Okay. So here I want to get the URL value. You need, right? If you want to launch your browser, you need a URL. How can you read that? Oh, just get property value method you will call. That's it. And pass the what is the value of this properties URL is the key. This is the key. And I'll give this just that key. That's it. And because you have to add throws declaration, right? I told you. If the method is having a throws declaration, wherever you are calling the method, there also you have to add the throws declaration. So add throws declaration. That's it. So execute this. See, you got the value, right? So even tomorrow data changes, you don't need to change the code here. You just go in one file, you can modify. Suppose I have given Firefox. Here I have given Facebook.com. Here I have given. So see that's the beauty of this. See, I'm not touching this code. I only changed my properties data. My data only changes. Code is unchangeable. See that you will get the latest data, whatever the latest data is there. See, this is the latest data. We will get the latest data. So that's all about how to read data from properties file. Any questions? So the last one. So if you have questions, I'll answer. Otherwise, I'll go to last one, enums. Very important concept, enums. So enums are another special type of class in Java. So which is used to store a group of constants. If you want to store a group of constants, unchangeable variables, basically final variables. Enums are one of the best way to declare them. So you can write in the enums constructors, methods, variables, all kinds you can write. Not necessary only. So that one. So that's the enum means. Enum is a special class which represents the group of constants. While defining the enums, the constants should be declared first prior to any other fields or methods in the enum class. So when there are fields and methods declared inside a enum, the list of enum constants must end with a semicolon. So like this. So enum name, low, comma, medium, comma. So that's how we can specify. And while how to access them? Enum name dot field. That's how to access. This is a very important thing. Please remember this. How can you access the enums? Enum name dot constant. Enum name dot constant. Okay. So like this, we have a directions, like directions, public, enum, directions, like a class we are using to declare the class keyword, right? To declare the enum, you need to use enum keyword. And then enum name, then declare all your constants. So that's the simple program. You can so write and call that. So other than that, nothing. Just we need how to access the constants. So let me create a Java class, enum class. So directions. See, automatically you will get a enum. So you will declare east, west, north, south. So if you want to call, you create a normal class or so normal class or enum class, it's up to you. Call enum constants. So I'm creating a normal class. So main method. If we want to call enum, so just call, how to call? So directions dot, see automatically it is showing in the, so even you can get all the values and then you can iterate. So all the values with the for each loop, right? Values method, if you call it, you will get a directions array. So then you can iterate all of them. So only value of particular thing, if you want, you can get this. So this is the constants how to call. For example, east. So you will get only east, right? I'll print that sys out dot println east direction. So you will get the east. So just execute this. So you got a east. Only you got east, right? So like that, anything you can get. See east. So like that, you can call all the things. So I just want to tell you how to call enum constants, because we are getting in automation, enums are there. So that's why you should know how to call enums. If enum name is there, then constant, then just call enum name dot constant. See that? East, west, north, south. South. That's it. Okay. So this is the one of the very important, because I'm going to use enums there in Selenium widely. And so just this point only I want to cover this. Yeah. So that's all about Java. And so let's get started with if you have a doubts, we'll discuss, because I don't have much time also. I can spend another 10 minutes.